Looking for a tasty snack that boosts your health?
Wouldn't it be amazing to enjoy a treat that supports your heart, weight, and overall well-being? Introducing Brilliant Cashew.
A delicious nut that's packed with nutrients. Brilliant Cashew offers health benefits from mind, heart support to improved digestion. With Brilliant Cashew, you get healthy, fats essential, minerals and antioxidants that work together. Plus, they help manage blood, sugar, and boost your immune system. With Brilliant Cashew, you'll enjoy improved heart health, weight management, support stronger bones. Try Brilliant Cashew today.